Here is our next strategy, CPR reversal strategy for support. Because CPR can give resistance also, it is right now support strategy. How we can recognize this? Very common strategy in day trading, and we can make good points also out of this. Imagine this is a CPR and a normal day happening in the market. Price action candle started coming down, usually more active in the morning sessions, but afternoon sessions also cannot be ignored. We see price action candle coming down and it takes support from the CPR. Now this is our setup and we wait for the trigger to happen. What is the trigger? By now you know, 2 green candles. Yes, we wait for the 2 green candles. Once we see 2 green candles, we enter on the third one straight away. Jump into third one and take your trade, and you can exit. You have few options. If your trailing stop loss hits, this is 1, you can stop. Second, 1:2 risk reward ratio. Yeah, what you can do is, if your 1:2 risk reward ratio has achieved, you can target for third one by trailing it, or when you see next resistance coming, just before that you can exit. So these are the parameters for exiting, and you keep your stop loss somewhere here, initial stop loss, and then you trail. The setup remains the same. This is 3 minutes, and we are entering with 2 green candle confirmation. Yeah. Okay, important point, the reversal, the support can come from either of them, this or this. So it's not necessary the support will come from the first CPR, top CPR only. It can come from here or here, and the strategy remains the same. This is a chart explanation for CPR support reversal strategy. We are looking at Bank Nifty 3 minutes time frame, and we can see the price action candle was coming down, but it took support from the top CPR, and this is our trade setup. We enter the trade once the 2 green candles have taken shape. On this candle, the third candle, the red candle, we enter the trade, keeping our stop loss somewhere here, and we continue with our trade. We already know, if your trail stop loss hit 1:2 or next support or resistance, here is resistance. Same thing, stop loss has to be somewhere here. It's okay, you can keep it here, but this is when the trade is happening here. Yeah, at least one resistance or support you keep as a barrier between your stop loss.